Strengthening your hips is a common problem these days, so I'm going to give you an at-home solution for getting this done. What we want to do to strengthen the hips, the first exercise is called abduction. And you've seen these inner and outer thigh machines at the gym. So the at-home solution would be to lie on your side and put your legs straight out to the side. Take the top leg and raise it up. Raising it up and down multiple repetitions is the abduction exercise and works the outer thigh. You could even just raise it up and hold it statically and put your hand on your thigh for added resistance. You want to do that for up to 60 seconds per leg. Roll over, then do the other side. Additional hip exercises come with an exercise as simple as squats. And I know we could do squats at the gym with a barbell or dumbbells, but at home, if you don't have any equipment, you could just do what we call air squats. No weight at all. Just stand straight up, put your arms straight out in front of you, and squat down to the parallel or just below parallel position. You want to try 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps and see how that goes for you.